Hello friends, welcome to Global Online. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss some important current affairs MCQs for your upcoming NTA UGC NET 2023. So if you are preparing for NTA UGC NET 2023, paper 1 plays an important role here. Paper 1 will be having 10 units and the units like ICT, people and environment and higher education system will carry current affairs MCQs. So to boost your preparation level for paper 1 of NTA UGC NET, the Global Online has come up with quick revision PDF. So in this PDF you will receive 2000 plus MCQs on paper 1 in English and also in Hindi language. It includes updated current affairs MCQs with detailed explanation and also previous year questions. And if you want to join for this, you can contact these numbers. The numbers are displayed on the screen, and you can also download the Global Online app from the Play Store. We are also providing notes plus MCQs for paper 2 all the subjects. Now question number 1. Which part of India has been announced as India's largest pilgrimage center through net zero carbon emission? Option A Rameshwaram, option B Puri, option C Kedarnath, option D Mathura Vrindavan. The right answer is option D Mathura Vrindavan. Yes, Mathura Vrindavan, it is one of the India's largest pilgrimage center. It is going to aim to become a net zero carbon emission tourist destination by 2041. Question number 2. Ministry of Tourism launched the National Strategy for Sustainable Tourism along with which organization? Option A FAO, option B UNEP, option C World Bank, option D World Economic Forum. The right answer is option B UNEP. Ministry of Tourism in association with the United Nations Environment Programme and Responsible Tourism Society of India organized National Summit on Developing Sustainable and Responsible Tourist Destinations. So here the right answer is option B UNEP. Question number 3. Which company has announced to build India's first and one of the world's largest carbon fiber plants at Hazira, Gujarat? Option A Tata Power, option B Reliance Industries, option C NTPC, option D GAIL. The right answer is option B Reliance Industries. Yes, Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani announced to build India's first and one of the world's largest carbon fiber plants at Hazira in Gujarat. Question number 4. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the second generation ethanol plant? Option A Rajasthan, option B Haryana, option C Punjab, option D Madhya Pradesh. The right answer is option B Haryana. Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on August 10 launched a second generation ethanol plant to build which is built at an estimated cost of rupees 900 crore in Haryana's Panipat. Question number 5. Which has become the first Indian NGO in the field of environmental protection to launch blockchain? Option A Smile Foundation, option B Care India, option C Sankalpa Taru Foundation, option D Childline India Foundation. Yes, here the right answer is option C Sankalpa Taru Foundation. Sankalpa Taru Foundation has become the first Indian NGO in environmental conservation space to launch blockchain on 1st April 2022. Question number 6. World Coconut Day is observed on which of the following days every year? Option A 2nd September, option B 2nd October, option D 5th September, option D 5th October. The right answer is option A 2nd September. World Coconut Day is celebrated every year on September 2 in several countries in the Asia Pacific region including India. And World Coconut Day was introduced in the year of 2009. Question number 7. Which union ministry released the e-waste amendment rules 2023? Option A Ministry of Electronics and IT, option B Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, option C Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, option D Ministry of Home Affairs. Here the right answer is option B Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change released the e-waste management rules in 2022 and it is expected to come into effect in 2023. Question number 8. Recently, which of the following states has passed a bill to establish India's first forest university? Option A Telangana, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C Haryana, option D Andhra Pradesh. Yes, here the right answer is option A Telangana. Yes, India is going to have its first forest university in Telangana. Question number 9. What is the expansion of GLOFS, which are sudden and powerful releases of water? Option A global level outburst floods. Option B glacial lake outburst floods. Option C glacier local outburst floods. Option D geological lake outburst floods. The right answer is option B glacial lake outburst floods. Glacial lake outburst floods are sudden and powerful releases of water from glacial lakes due to the failure of a dam made of glacial materials. Question number 10. Everglades Wetland Restoration Project is associated with which country? Option A Australia, option B USA, option C France, option D Russia. The right answer is option B USA. The Everglades, it is a wetland ecosystem in the southern part of US state of Florida. The wetland ecosystem experiences fluctuating weather changes, habitat loss and also environmental degradation. Question number 11. Recently, which state has announced to develop the largest jungle safari park in the world in the Aravalli range? Option A Haryana, option B Gujarat, option C Rajasthan, option D Delhi. Yes, here the right answer is option A Haryana is the right answer. Yes, Haryana, it is all set to develop the world's largest jungle safari park on an area of 10,000 acres in the Aravalli mountain range of Gurugram and Nar districts. Question number 12. Recently, India has partnered with which of the following US cities for research and innovation in the field of zero emission vehicles? Option A California, option B Austria, option C Chicago, option D Italy. The right answer is option A California. India has entered into a collaboration with California for research and innovation in the field of zero emission vehicles to spur the development of its nascent EV industry and to address climate risk. And California has the world's most advanced zero emission vehicle policies. Question number 13. National Tiger Conservation Authority NTCA has requested for declaration of the Madhe Wildlife Sanctuary as a tiger reserve. It is located in which of the following states? Option A Goa, option B Mizoram, option C Sikkim, option D Assam. The right answer is option A Goa. The Deputy Inspector General of the National Tiger Conservation Authority requested the Principal Chief Conservator of Forests of Goa to initiate steps to declare that Madhe Wildlife Sanctuary as a tiger reserve. Question number 14. Which desert known for hot and dry climate recently witnessed snowfall? Option A Thar, option B Mojave, option C Sahara, option D Gobi. Yes, here the right answer is option C Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert most commonly known for hot and dry climate is currently witnessing rare snowfall. Question number 15. Which institution releases the Global Gender Gap Report? Option A UN Women, option B World Economic Forum, option C International Monetary Fund, option D World Bank. The right answer, yes friends, you have to comment the right answer in the comment section. This question is for you. This is about our today's session. If you are preparing for NTA UGC NET 2023, the Global Online is providing quick revision PDF. In this you will get 2000 plus MCQs on paper 1 in Hindi and also in English. It includes updated current affairs MCQs and also previous year question. If you want to join, you can contact these numbers. You can also download the Global Online app from the Play Store. We are also providing the study notes and MCQs on paper to all the subjects. Yes friends, I wish all the best to all. Thank you.